Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Now the hard surfaces. How do y'all deal with my hard surface floors?
Yeah, now with hard surfaces, you got those grout lines in between, and those are just like hard sponges. So there's crevices and grooves, and those things attract and hold on to dirt as well. And so you need to get those cleaned. And we, our process there is we definitely put our product down and agitate with the same CRB brush. We use different brushes on those to get because you can be a little tougher, and we can be a little more aggressive with the hard surface, especially with ceramic or porcelain tile because it's just man-made. And we can bring in a different spinner tool at the end, which we increase the pressure a little bit depending on the integrity of your grout and tile. We're going to inspect it and make sure everything's capable for what we're doing. We adjust our machinery to make sure you're getting the right clean in the right spot. But yes, we're going to clean the surface. Clean the grout is key. Agitate and scrub each grout line that you need, and then we're going to use a spinner tool, which is going to get rid of those. That dirt can get in there really good. And then we seal it afterwards, which is a key thing to do, just to prevent it. So you're spilling a soda, or you're getting some tomato sauce in the kitchen is going to get into those grout lines and stain them. So you got to make sure you protect them so you can clean it up.
And at your own home, what do you have your wife mop the hard floors with? I mean, is there a secret cleaner that does one job better than another? Because I know soap buildup can be an attractant to dirt in those grout, and especially those big, thick grout lines.
Yes, most definitely. Like those Swifter items actually leave a product down there, and it actually will collect. It collects It collects dirt on your surface there. So I have access to pure water, so we use pure water. Right. We put it down and scrub it, and just getting to it quick enough is the key, and just leaving no residue there. So making sure you're rinsing thoroughly with some type of water or something like that to keep the residue off of it is the key. You don't want to have the residue at the end because you're just going to collect more dirt on there.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best